Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring a 1931 Ford Model A Deluxe delivery. This Model A is finished in Lombard Blue over black interior. It was cosmetically and mechanically restored in 2001, and it has a 201 cubic inch inline-4 engine. This beautifully restored Model A Deluxe delivery has full deluxe appointments to include cowl lamps, dual side mounted spares, and rear bumpers. It also features a front grille guard and a chrome radiator with Ford Motometer. It has a code correct 201 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder engine, 3-speed transmission, vacuum wipers, locking rear door, Ford sill plates, radiator grille guard, single tail light, dual outside rear view mirrors, and new Firestone gum-dipped 4.75 over 5.0-19 black white wall tires, hood holders, and Spartan horn. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.